The Bird of Paradise. It's made for 18 plus. More golden rings, people. Sonic would love this. All right, 58 done. Doing 4 of these again. This would be the other panels. It's 60 done. My fingers are getting sore. Keep building. But you get garden duty. I want my go home. One of the greatest movies ever. At least of Adam Sandler's career. The late, great Bob Barker. He got jealous of animals fucking, so he wanted them all spayed and neutered. So he wouldn't see dogs doing it. He grossed them out. Or turned them on, whichever you want to look at it as. All right. 62 done. You know what's next. Bam, bam, bam. So far, this has been a pretty easy build. Of course, I am building the big, heavy block at the bottom. So, wouldn't expect it to be too difficult. Oh boy, these suck to put on. Or it'd be easier without the green piece in there. Just try a different one. Oh boy, that's not good. There's other places. It goes other places. Try it somewhere else. Does it go there? Hey, or I could just turn it around the right way. Hey, that works too, Robert. Maybe I just won't be an idiot next time, huh? All right. One of them done. I wonder how they figured how much mass had to be at the base to withstand the top. And like, oh, we better add more Lego in the middle somehow. Okay. Sucks when you get your skin caught in one of those snaps. There's a little bit off your fingers every time. I've been building a lot of these for our videos, so not of this one, just a lot of like in Lego in general. Okay, 65, 64 done. 65, they all go on line at the bottom. All right, 65 done. Next is bag 3. How many bags are bag 3? 2. 2 bags for bag 3, at least. One bag. Two bags. Yeah. Oh, bag 2 had one extra piece, 1D. And the third bag of bag 3. All right, that's 3 bags. So I need to pause for the cause, and well, ain't a lot building on this one, is there? And I'll be right back. Hey, or I could just turn it around the right way. Hey, that works too, Robert. Maybe I just won't be an idiot next time, huh?